Level 0.0 to 1.9. Press pause right now. Beneath your chair, under your city, the ground is alive. Every 90 seconds, somewhere on Earth, a microquake under 2.0 magnitude whispers through the crust. These aren't anomalies, they're planetary breathing. In California's Salton Sea, sensors record 400 daily. In Japan's volcanic tunnels, they outnumber heartbeats. Why care? Because these silent tremors are Earth's diagnostic reports. When swarms cluster around dormant faults, like California's San Andreas or Turkey's East Anatolian, it's the planet whispering. Pressure's building. Your move: bolt bookshelves today. That 2-second task could save your life at level 6. Level 2.0 to 3.9. 3:17 a.m. You jolt awake. Was that? Yes. A magnitude 3.2 just walked through your bedroom. At this moment in Tokyo, 5 million phones blast alerts before shaking starts. Why? Because Japan's sensors detected P-waves, the lightning-fast precursors that travel 6 km/secretary. Here's what scientists know. When 2.0 plus quakes suddenly triple near active zones, like Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula before its 2023 eruption, magma's on the move. Action step: store shoes plus flashlight under beds. 47% of quake injuries occur from bare feet on broken glass. Level 4.0 to 5.9. A 5.3 isn't an earthquake, it's an ambush. In 30 seconds flat, unanchored TVs become 80-pound projectiles. Brick chimneys crumble like sandcastles. Gas lines rupture. Remember Christchurch 2011? A moderate 5.8 killed 185 because unreinforced masonry rained onto sidewalks. Physics fact: at magnitude 5.0, shaking acceleration hits 0.3 g, enough to fling objects sideways with hurricane force. Survival protocol: practice drop cover hold on monthly. In Turkey's 2023 quake, trained schoolkids survived classrooms that pancaked. Level 6.0 to 7.9. Level 6.3 is where physics turns predatory. Bridges don't just crack, they snap like Kit Kats. Why? Resonance frequency. Buildings between 5 to 20 stories sway catastrophically when quake waves hit 0.5 to 2 Hz, exactly human walking rhythm. Mexico City 1985 proved this. 400 kilometers from epicenter, 20-story buildings collapsed while shorter ones stood. Why? The ancient lakebed amplified specific frequencies. Evacuation essential. Identify concrete shelters now. Post-quake, 70% of injuries occurred during panicked exits. Level 8.0 to 9.9. A 9.1 quake isn't an event, it's a planetary exorcism. Japan 2011. The Pacific plate lurched 79 feet. The energy released? Equal to 600 million Hiroshima bombs. But the real killer came later. The tsunami traveled at jetliner speed. Tsunami science: in deep water, they're barely knee-high. But upon coastal shallows, water piles up into liquid skyscrapers. Race the wave: if shaking lasts greater than 60 seconds near coast, sprint vertically immediately. Every third floor up doubles survival odds. Level 10.0 plus. Could the Pacific Ring of Fire detonate like a string of seismic grenades? The Cascadia subduction zone alone could unleash 9.0 plus. But a full 10.0? That's 32x more energy. Skyscrapers would whip like fishing rods. Transatlantic fiber optics would snap. Nuclear plants? Fukushima times 100. Humanity's shield: Chile's 8.8 quake killed 525. Haiti's weaker 7.0 killed 220,000. Difference? Chilean forces building codes born of ancestral quake wisdom. Demand change: petition for retrofit laws. Support global seismic networks. Survival isn't luck, it's engineering.